that? Is that a police behind me? I'm trying to see. What? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? So you see, we got a late night POV that I'm gonna be recording for y'all boy today. I never did a night POV where I was talking and stuff. So you feel me? That's what I'm gonna get y'all today. Go ahead and wake up the community. No time to be going to sleep. It's time to grind. Through YouTube, through work, you know, all that. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm really finna go to this little spot. It's like a abandoned warehouse. And I'm gonna see is there some people that are spending tonight. I think it is. But I said, while I'm going there, I might well do a POV for y'all, let y'all hear the car and stuff. You know, type shit. Let y'all hear them aggressive downshifts. I forget this every time I start a video. The seat belts. I always forget to put my seatbelt on. Safety comes first. We're gonna go ahead and make a right. Yeah, baby, moving tonight. Yeah, should I go ahead and tune my car through underground tuning so we can get that verbal tune? I also want to, whoa, what is that? Is that a police behind me? Gotta go. Yeah, that's a police behind me on game. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm trying to see. Talia, do you know where the fuck I'm going? Huh? That who? The police? I got on. Hey y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna cut this video short, y'all. What you gotta say, Talia? Fuck 12, but y'all better leave me the fuck alone, bitch. We in that bit by the cat, nigga. Y'all ain't stopping shit, nigga. I'm just trying to make me some motherfucking comment. But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. Hey, tune in to more videos. Hey, let me know that y'all want to see another video like this one. You feel me? That's gonna be it. Goddamn, y'all let me, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all want to see. As you can see, fuck 12. Cause them niggas always trying to stop shit, but they ain't finna stop shit coming their way. Ain't that right? Yeah. All right, y'all. Peace.